A few weeks ago, what started as a simple trip turned into an absolute nightmare on the side of the highway. A wheel bearing completely blew out. We limped it to the lake with some makeshift parts, but after that, the trailer was totally immobilized. To make matters worse, supply delays meant I had to sit and wait 3 long weeks during peak fishing season to get a replacement axle delivered and installed. I finally managed to tow the boat back home, but sitting out on the roadside and parked up at the cabin for nearly a month took a massive toll. This thing is completely caked in dirt, grime, and road oil, and it looks terrible. So today, I'm bringing it back to life with a full, ground-up detail. We're scrubbing every inch, pulling out the pressure washer, and restoring the shine it deserves. You'll definitely want to stick around until the very end to see the final reveal, because the before and after on this one are just incredible. If you like satisfying cleanups, fishing gear readiness, and want to see more fishing and boat content, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel and gets these videos out in front of more people on YouTube. Now let's get this thing cleaned up.